Okay, we're in the Legends Road Cup. I did this race earlier and got taken out in someone else's accident, so we're going to have another go. It's a great track. It's the Watkins Glenn track, the short version, but without the bus stop chicane, although someone went through it during the warm-up laps. I'm not quite sure what they're doing. They claim to have used it in qualifying as well, which means they're pretty quick because they're ahead of us. But anyway, I think the slipstream means they shouldn't get away. So I qualified okay, fourth. I've dropped a spot, obviously, on the first lap. Tyres take some time to get warm. Someone behind. Someone's just hit the wall. I think we'll get past John here, so you don't have to worry about the chicane. Like I say, the slipstream is very powerful. So yeah, I was coming up here. Two people got together, and that was it.
Clear.
Just getting the tyres warm. The first lap is a bit twitchy. Just knowing how far off track you can go without getting a penalty. I'm still not getting the first corner right compared to these guys. They all go much wider than I do. Okay, tyres are not ready. Did not want to go around that corner. You're not changing gear much. It's 5th and 6th most of the way. And if we can just keep in the slipstream, then no one's going anywhere.
29.877.
So they go wide. And they'll all come across again. I'll change up early, so I want to run into the back of them. And it's just a case of are people going to swap places or what we're going to do? So I'm easing off now. Okay, we'll just go here and see what happens.
You good? Still there.
Oh yeah, I'm great.
Clear. Car right.
Car on our inside. Two cars on our inside, by the looks of it.
Clear on the
rock
right.
track on the left side. Thought I was going to get by, and he
Clear on the right.
then slid right across, going backwards, and connected.
Let this guy go. There's no point battling here.
Yeah, sure.
Just going to slow us down. Oh, come on, mate.
Right side. Keep to the left. Clear.
Oh, my God. How bad's the car?
We've got damage on the back
Oh,
end.
my.
Damage on the back end. Okay, well, let's keep going.
26.863.
Let's see how bad it is, shall we? Can we get after them? Damage on the back end is not as bad as damage on the front end for Aero, anyway. Yeah, let's get by this guy, shall we? The one that hit us.
Car right.
Very helpful. Go after these guys. Looks like he's trying to hit me again. Felt like it anyway. Well, I'll get a better run through this corner now. Oh, he's going to go up the inside, is he?
Car on your left. Still there.
Yeah, he's just slowing us down, isn't he?
Clear on the left.
Need to get after these guys.
.629. New fastest lap for you. Right side, you're back in 4th position. Clear.
Yeah, really not helpful. It's costing us time.
Don't drive these very often. Can we push on these,
Car on your
John?
left. Keep to the right.
Here we go.
Still there.
Not recommended use of the person on the
Clear.
back. Gets the worst of
10
it.
minutes to go.
The
Car on
path
your
is
left. Clear on the left.
okay.
Heard.
Left side. Still there. Clear.
It's all over the place, isn't they? I'd probably be better off sticking behind him if we can catch the other two, but
26.47. Right side. Clear on the right.
oh, it's a blinker. That is just what we need. A blinker. It just gets worse, doesn't it? A blinker who's getting in the way. Who's hit me. It's everything you want in a racer, isn't it? Someone who hits you, blinks and gets in the way.
Right side.
Slows you down.
Still there. Hold your line.
Oh dear, look how slow we're going.
Clear on the right. Right side. Still there. Hold your line. Clear on the right. Car right. Clear on the right.
Just need to get away from him really, but I don't think I am. But I'm 3.5 seconds ahead now.
26.029. Car on your left. The car in P1. Just set the fastest lap. 25.011. Keep to the right. One has taken the lead.
I mean, he's going to catch us up the straight.
Good job. Settle in and get a rhythm. There's an
Oh,
incident
sorry.
behind.
I think somebody's gone off behind. Yeah, he's going to catch up now. This is the problem, you can't get away. Here he goes.
Car on your left.
We're just wasting time.
Clear on the left. Car on your left. Still there, hold your line. Clear. Left side. Still there, hold your line. 26.727. Clear on the left. The leader just did a 25.858. Car right. Still there. Clear on the right.
Yeah, we're just losing time.
Car right. Still there, hold your line. Clear.
Yeah, I think our chance is gone. Getting those ahead. You're lucky just to beat this guy, I think. Maybe if I can keep ahead around here.
5 minutes to go. The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 24.528, 26.129. Car 2 is up the front.
Yeah, there's no defence, is there, really? No defence.
Left side.
Okay, someone's had a problem ahead by the looks of it.
Still there, hold your
No.
line.
Maybe. Maybe not.
Still there. Clear. Right side. Still there. Stay on the left. Clear.
We'll just get him to narrow his lines, take the wrong lines.
26.119. Car 3 is now leading.
Thought he was going off then. Unfortunately, he didn't. And he's going to get the slipstream.
Left side.
Okay.
To the right.
I cannot shake this guy. I cannot shake him.
Right side. Still there, hold your line. Still there. Clear on the right.
Can't get far enough away, can I?
26.0.
No matter what I do.
Car 2 is now leading.
No matter what I do.
Left side. Stay on the right. Clear. Car on your left. Clear on the left.
Okay. Well, he's starting to block now, is he?
White flag.
That felt like a block. .134. Car 3 has taken the lead.
left side.
Okay.
Still there, hold your line. Clear. The car in front has gone off. Left side.
Oh dear.
Keep to the right. The next car's the leader. The leader's fitting now. Keep to the right. Clear.
Take the inside. Not going to give it to him. Hey, at least we beat him and we got a podium. Bloody hell.
Car stopped on the right.
Well, that's a bit annoying. We'll have a look at that replay because he definitely hit me, wasn't he?
There's the flag.
That was car number 7. Let's have a quick look and just see what happens, and then we'll have a look at what happened to the leader. Okay, so this is where it started. So car 7, that was the guy we were racing with. He's just on our inside. This is the first full lap at racing speed. So we're doing pretty well. We're sort of getting up into close to 3rd. I'm on the inside. Obviously, I have to ease back a little bit. That gives number 7 a bit of a run. And then he just hits me as I'm coming through the corner. So I was very lucky. And then I got hit again. So I was lucky, really, to get away with that, wasn't I? So let's see the other incidents. That was number 10. That was the guy that hit us, wasn't it? Unfortunately, he was unlucky. Is this going to be somebody doing the same thing? Yeah. Oh, wow. Why couldn't that have happened for me? This is the leaders now. So what happened here? Bit of bump drafting. What are they going to do? No, nothing. I thought there was a bit more contact. Oh dear, yeah. Go on 2 wheels. Oh, unlucky. And the guy behind was really unlucky. Really unlucky. Okay, this is the 3 leaders again. 1, 2, and 3. He's pushing. I mean, that's a bit more than a bump draft, isn't it? That's pretty rough, actually. I think. I'd be a bit annoyed if that was me. I think it's all right to push a little bit, but I mean, he's bent his bumper, hasn't he? Okay, what's next then? Someone hitting the wall, I guess. Oh no. Well, yes, and it straightened them up. They were very lucky that. And then someone just getting out of shape on that corner. Easily done. Okay, here's the leaders again. So they're all bump drafting, aren't they? Hey, oh. Yeah. That was the leader, wasn't it? I'd have been annoyed about that. Well done for stopping. And I think we come through next. There we go. And then you got the leaders. Okay. And they're stopping and... Well, that's an unusual way to finish that. I don't know why people do it. I just don't know why people do it. Anyway, people are finished. Let's look at the results. So we got 3rd. Happy with that. Lost some safety rating because of the incidents. Got some I rating. 24.5, so they're going pretty quick. I only managed to 25.6. I could have gone quicker, I think, had I been with them. They'd have dragged me along a bit. But yeah, I'm glad we beat car 7 behind after he tapped into us. And he wasn't quick, was he? He was just holding us up. Anyway, enjoyed that. Happy New Year, everyone. I do enjoy the Legends. A little bit of bump and door banging. But yeah, I enjoyed it. If you do, then please do stick with me for 2026. Got lots planned. I finish my main job in a couple of weeks' time. So I'm going to be doing some community races and live streams and lots of videos. So hopefully you'll be there to watch it. If you do want to watch it, then do hit that like, hit subscribe. And maybe I'll see you next time at the track.